Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious 3-bean salad. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredients. We'll use 3 different types of canned beans, like green beans, kidney beans, and garbanzo beans, all drained and rinsed. Next, we'll prepare a simple, tangy dressing that brings all the flavors together. Finally, we'll add some fresh, crisp vegetables for texture and color. This salad is perfect for picnics or a quick, healthy side dish. Now, let's create the flavorful dressing that will coat our beans and vegetables. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This combination provides a nice balance of richness and tang. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar until it fully dissolves, adding a touch of sweetness. Finish by adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for perfect seasoning. This dressing is key to a vibrant salad. With our dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together for our 3-bean salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine your thoroughly drained and rinsed green beans, kidney beans, and garbanzo beans. Add your finely chopped red onion and colorful bell pepper. Now, pour the delicious dressing you just prepared evenly over all the ingredients. Gently toss everything together until every bean and vegetable piece is beautifully coated. This ensures every bite is bursting with flavor. Once your salad is assembled, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is crucial, as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, making the salad even more delicious. When you're ready, give it a final gentle toss and serve your refreshing 3-bean salad. It's perfect for any meal or gathering. And speaking of refreshing, remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.